Dear friends, before applying this dot product using Python, let me just use simple step-by-step exercise to really understand how the dot product works. In exercise 4, taken from the book AI by Hand by Professor Tom, here the vector A, it has 2, a single number. But here the vector B is missing and we have the result 6. As this exact the multiplication, as the dot product rule is simple, multiplying the corresponding entries and add them. And here there's only one pair. So here, of course, we are having the result and we should specify one thing. That is 2 times this would result the number 6. So actually the result here as the vector B would be resulted as like 3. And dear friends, actually this problem reinforces the core mechanism before we moving into multiple or multi-element vectors. Okay, dear friends, kindly just observe these exercise gives you a step-by-step intuition for how dot product works. And finally, you can just find many more to practice on the book AI by Hand by Professor Tom. I just provide the link in the description. Kindly practice a lot directly.